Today I want to pull apart something I found in the junk pile. Several years ago, I used to work on horizontal drilling machines, or HDD machines. Those are what they use to actually drill horizontally and drill through the ground to install fiber optics and power line. This particular unit is from a Vermeer, I believe. It fits several different models. It really appears to be, you know, kind of a one-off thing. The face is milled and machined. It has this cover. It was exposed to the elements, so this would have been completely sealed. And basically its only function was to actually control the flow of water to the head. And I believe this particular unit may have been one that just didn't work. It would actually have a display and say that it was pumping water. No water was coming out. So it always intrigued me to see what was actually inside of this. So we're going to pull it apart here and see what's inside. And if possible, I'll repair this. One thing I'll note on working on items like this, usually they're a bit more dirty and a bit more greasy. You kind of got to be careful what tools you use and where you take it apart. I did my best to clean this up, but already I can see stuff, you know, starting to attach to my screwdriver. So you want to be real careful in your lab to make sure that you try to keep it as clean as possible. A bit of sealant is actually around the screws. So this was intended to stay sealed against elements. I know that there's drilling fluid and water and grease and rain and just all kinds of weather that this is exposed to typically on a drill. There's what we have so far. This actually appears that this unit may have been actually potted. The way that I assume they manufactured this, they actually placed all the components centered and actually filled this with a pot material, which then actually potted the actual connector. So this would have been very, very weatherproof. Unfortunately, it doesn't appear that the display was actually sealed up really well, and most of the liquid crystal displays do not like being exposed to light out in the sunlight.